Let's get you the latest when it comes to Mumbai that is experiencing pre-monsoon showers. We're talking about heavy showers that have affected train services, disrupting traffic. Waterlogging has been reported from various parts, and the IMD has issued orange and red alerts for different parts of Mumbai, and this is in regard to the kind of heavy rainfall that we're expecting. Do remember, monsoon has reached the state of Maharashtra, and it's come into Maharashtra 12 days before time, and this will be perhaps the earliest that monsoon would perhaps reach the city of Mumbai. That announcement is awaited by the IMD, but from the looks of it, it seems like monsoon is almost in Mumbai. The announcement is all that it is going to take for that official word to be out. But these are monsoon showers, whether it's pre-monsoon or monsoon, it is raining the way it usually rains during the monsoon season. So this is the start for the next 4 months as far as the city of Mumbai is concerned. And here we can see this will mark the earliest monsoon has reached the city of Mumbai. Do remember that it reached, in fact, Kerala also 7 to 8 days before it usually does. And from the looks of it, monsoon has really picked up its pace. It does take a couple of weeks for monsoon to, pan across the country, about 4 weeks' time before it, covers the entire country. But it doesn't seem like that's going to be the case this time around. Let's go across to my colleague Radhika, who's joining us. Radhika, take us to the mayhem that's been caused this morning because of the pre-monsoon showers that we're seeing in the city of Mumbai.
That's right. Monsoon has hit Mumbai quite early this time, as you were saying. Heavy rains being witnessed across the city of Mumbai over the last several hours, and we believe that there will be rains for the next 3 to 4 hours as well. It will be intense spell of rains is what IMD prediction has said. I will just show you around. I am at the business district of BKC. Where you can see heavy traffic snarls. Of course, we've been stuck in this traffic for the last 45 minutes. As you can see, the traffic is moving at snail pace. So that's the situation in several parts of the city of Mumbai. Of course, this is office going hours. This is, of course, the peak traffic hours, and the traffic is moving really, really slow at this point. So intense spell of rain causing massive traffic jams here. And of course, you have banks and business establishments right here in BKC. And these are office goers who are trying to get to their offices on time but are stuck in traffic. Several areas, Divya, in the city of Mumbai are waterlogged at this point, be it Kurla, low-lying areas such as Kurla, Parel, Sion, King Circle. Many of these areas are waterlogged. So waterlogging is also causing traffic snarls at several of the areas in the city. So that's the situation here. Heavy traffic jam, waterlogging, and of course the trains are not running on time. What we are hearing is that most of the suburban railway trains, be it of the Western Railway, Central Railway or the Harbour Line trains, they are all running late by at least about 15 to 20 minutes. That's what we are being given to understand. We also believe that there are flight disruptions as well as we speak as a result of terrible weather conditions. Flight operations have also been disrupted. So this is the situation. Traffic congestion across the city of Mumbai, not just in BKC but on Western Express Highway, Eastern Express Highway. Traffic snarls are being witnessed as a result of heavy downpour in the city of Mumbai. I'm not sure if you can hear, but we could hear the thunder storm, thunder noise as well at this just a couple of seconds back. So yes, this is the situation. You can see heavy traffic congestion. This is the situation in the city of Mumbai. Peak hour traffic is what you're seeing, and people are just not able to reach their destinations, their offices on time. And we've been stuck in this traffic for the last 45 minutes. So water accumulation in several parts. Administration, now what we are being told is keeping a close watch of the situation here. Alert has been issued from yellow alert. It is now orange alert is what we are being told. And for the next 3 to 4 hours, the spell of rains is going to be extremely intense, especially in the city of Mumbai and many of the neighboring districts as well.
A picture can speak 1,000 words, as we can see on our screens of how overcast it is, the kind of rainfall, the kind of disruption it's caused. It's really not brought Mumbai to its knees, but it has caused a lot of issues in regard to, like you mentioned, you've been stuck in traffic. Air traffic is going to get impacted. Train traffic already has been impacted. But this is not even the monsoon season yet. We're waiting for that official word from the Met Office. It does seem like it's almost monsoon, right? But when we talk about the situation on the ground, we're also hearing that cops have now been posted at the Juhu beach because we're also expecting high tide.
Yes, high tide is at about 11:40 is what we are being given to understand. So that's the weather update, weather prediction that it will rain heavily for the next 3 to 4 hours at least, which is why the fishermen across the coastal areas have been asked to not venture into the sea, and therefore alert has been issued in coastal areas, in coastal areas of the state of Maharashtra, especially in the city of Mumbai, be it the Juhu beach, be it Marine Drive, and many of the promenade areas. People have been asked to not go near the sea as the high tide situation will intensify post 11:40 a.m. But yes, waterlogging in different parts of the city. Usually we do not witness waterlogging in South Bombay, but what we are being told is that many areas of South Bombay is witnessing waterlogging. There is severe accumulation of water, especially near the Crawford area and some parts of Kalba Devi as well. And we also have visuals of Andheri subway being waterlogged, and many other regions in Parel, Sion, and unfortunately even KEM Hospital is waterlogged. It is a state-run hospital which at this point is also witnessing severe waterlogging. So several areas, be it the western suburbs, eastern suburbs or South Mumbai, many of the areas are waterlogged, not just low-lying areas, but areas beside that as well. But at BKC, which is the business district of Mumbai, we've been stuck in traffic for the last 45 minutes. And it is not easing up at all. This is the traffic congestion that we've been seeing over the last so many hours. It is, of course, the peak office hours. People are trying to get to their offices, to their businesses, to their establishments. But unfortunately, though, they are stuck in heavy traffic in Mumbai, not just in BKC, but in many other parts, be it in South Bombay, be it in Eastern or Western Express Highway, which really connects the city. We are seeing immense, traffic congestion. So yes, severe waterlogging, traffic congestion, trains not running on time, flight disruptions, and people really stuck and stranded in several parts of the city as a result of waterlogging is what we are being given to understand. There are also incidents of tree fall, but officials and administration on alert. Our Deputy Chief Minister also has taken stock of the situation, and all of the officials, all of the agencies, be it disaster management of the BMC, be it the NDRF or the Indian Navy for that matter, have all been put on standby in case of any eventualities.
Right, Radhika, you've been talking about South Mumbai and you're talking about, the suburbs of Mumbai. Let's also get your sense of how bad it is, particularly in the Bandra area of Mumbai with my colleague Sujata.
Now that the IMD has issued heavy spells of rain for Mumbai and its surrounding regions, majority of the roads in Mumbai, especially in the Mumbai suburban and Mumbai city, are seen to be completely waterlogged. At present, I'm here in BMC, at the BKC region in Bandra West, and here all the efforts and the readiness and the preparedness that was being displayed by the BMC could clearly be seen that because of its outdated water and drainage system, the water of these nalas are completely on the road, because of which the traffic movement is also heavily impacted. Today being a working day, majority of the people who come to BKC because it's a commercial hub for work purpose are now stuck, and though that the BMC and the IMD is clearly issued advisory for people, however, because of the traffic situations and these waterlogging like situation that could be seen not only here in BKC but also in other regions like Andheri, Bandra West, as well as Hind Mata, King Circle, Gandhi Market, because of which traffic is being impacted. What remains to be seen is that how does the BMC tackle these big problems that Mumbaikars have been facing and complaining of throughout each monsoon, and what are the preparations by the BMC will now be cleared after some time from now, once the IMD that has predicted that there will be heavy showers of and spells of rain that could be seen in BKC as well as Mumbai regions. How does this waterlogging situation is tackled remains a bigger question. With video journalist Sachin Sawant, me Sujata Dwivedi for NDTV 24/7.